All right, boys and girls, here we go. Today we have day 15 of our April daily math. So let's get going here with number 1. Harper's math book has 60 pages. How many pages in 9 of these math books? So we're going to take 60 for the pages times the 9 books. Now we really don't have to do 60 times 9. We can do 6 tens times 9. Okay? So 6 times 9, we got that one. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cover that one down. 54. Okay. So 6 times 9 is 54. But then we still got to add our 0. That's 54 tens. So the tens place right there. Now the 4 is the tens place because it's 54 tens, and then we need a 0 at the end. So 540 pages, if you want to write down pages. Okay. All right, here we go. Number 2, it's asking us to about how many sixths is the same as 2/3. So let me go. I'm just going to use this for my sixths. I'm going to draw a line from here to 6. Okay. There's 1. Okay, so we should have 6 equal pieces, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's our sixths. But now we need to split it into thirds, because we want to know how much is the same as 2/3. So this time we're going to take it every 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So there we go. So we would need to fill in 2/3. So our thirds are down here, so we can kind of go like that. There's 1/3, and there's 2/3. Okay, and we need to compare that or get the same part here as how many sixths. So we need to fill it in up to this line. So there's 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6. Okay, so we're going to say that 4/6 is the same as 2/3. Okay, or 3 times 2 is 6, 2 times 2 is 4. It's equivalent. All right, number 3, which has the greater perimeter? A square with sides of 10 centimeters or a regular pentagon with sides of 10 centimeters. Regular meaning an equal pentagon. So I'm just going to draw my square here and use this so I don't use up all of the paper. But we're going to say that, here we go, we have 10 centimeters on this side and we have 10 centimeters on that side. So perimeter is like the fence. That's the part that goes all the way around, the line itself, right? So 10, 20, 30, 40. 40 centimeters. Now I don't have the perfect piece on here for a pentagon, because that's the 5-sided one. Okay, so I'm just going to kind of sketch one out quick. We got that there, that there, we'll go that there. We'll just say that's a regular one and it's good to go, and each side is 7. So we'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 7 times 5 is 35 centimeters for our perimeter. This was 10, 10, 10, and 10 for 40. So we'll say which one has the greater perimeter then? The square. All right, number 4, Lee's baseball team will play 12 games this season. There are 9 innings in each game. How many total innings will they play this season? Okay, so he has 12 games, and there are 9 innings in each game. So this is number 4. 12 games, 9 innings in each game. Okay. So this is going to be the multiplication problem, right? How many total innings will they play this season? So 12 games, 9 innings, 12 times 9. Let's do a little math on that one. Let's see. 12 times 9, that would kind of be like 6 times 18. Well, that doesn't help us much, does it? We could do 9 times 10 and then 9 times 2 and add them together. So let's see, 9 times 10 is 90. 9 times 2 is 18. So 90 and 18 would be 108. So again, 9 times 10 is 90. 9 times 2 is 18. And we add those two together, 108 innings. Last one, number 5, number of days on the side, sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy, our March and April weather. Okay, this class made a bar graph to show weather data for 2 months. How many days was it? Rainy or cloudy? So, we got to look at rainy. Oh, I see cloudy's easy, right? Cloudy, it tells us 16 for cloudy. Okay, but rainy, it's in between two numbers. So let's see, 16, must be 17, 16, 17, 8. No, it can't be 17. Oh, so the other line right here between 16 and 20 is the middle spot between 16 and 20, right? So there's 16, here's 20. If I go up one, I'm at 17. I come down one, I'm at 19. I go up one from 17 is 18. Down one from 19 is 18. Okay, so that middle line between 20 and 16 for rainy is 18. Half the problem is figuring out what those little lines mean that go in the middle, because they're not always done the same. So how many days was it rainy or cloudy? Well, we have 16 and 18. 6 plus 8 equals 14. 1, 2, 3, so 34 days. It was rainy or cloudy. How about just sunny? Oh, there's that line in the middle between 12 and 16. So if we count by twos, it's going to go 12, 14, 16. So 14 for sunny. And the last one says cloudy or windy. Again, cloudy was 16 for cloudy. And windy, we can see windy is halfway between again, it's 10. So 16 and 10 is 26 days. Okay? All right, boys and girls, that is it for day 15. We will see you tomorrow.